Hi everybody, this is Adrian Mileto from Mileto's Revolutionary Remedies with another episode for you guys. And today's topic, we're going to talk about hydrofacial. And it's very revolutionary. It's a type of modality that's been very popular more recently, and it's very effective. And what I like about it is very mechanically effective, as unlike like using chemicals and things like that, chemical peels for example. It's very good for deep cleaning because it uses water pressure and suction at the same time to really get in there. So it makes it much more painless for extractions, the manual extractions. Even if you have to follow it up a little bit with manual extractions, it's much less painful if you do. And basically it's kind of like a hydroabrasion, like microdermabrasion, but without the abrasion. So it's not as quite as abrasive as using, for example, things like dermaplaning, which we know how to do all that, but when you have something like this, it's not really necessary because with the water suction, you achieve the same result anyways and the same mechanism. We use a saline solution, water mixed with a saline solution, to really help make the cleaning much more thorough. Many vendors and estheticians like to promote that they have like cleaning agents and chemicals, but I really don't see the point of putting any product on your skin if you're actually cleaning. If you're in a cleaning stage and you're actually extracting stuff and cleaning, to me it's pointless to put like a product. You're not really putting the product in because you're like cleaning at the same time, so you're not really getting anything. So if you're gonna use any product, it's better after the actual cleaning, then you can manually apply it, and that to me is what makes the most sense. So we use much more mechanical principles. And what else? You could also use it for peelings. There's a lot of chemical peels available. We've done it here before successfully, although it's not a preference because anytime like there's chemicals or anything like that, even though like it's effective, there's downtime, and it's not natural like this. You do it, you're done, you're more refreshed, your skin is softer, your texture is more like smooth. I mean, whenever like my esthetician wife, like whenever she's done it on me, like my face feels like a baby face, especially like the cool part at the end, when they blow the little oxygen, and very fresh. And the oxygen will help lighten and rejuvenate the skin as well. So with the hydro peeling part and scraping like the upper surface, it helps with the pigmentation. We've seen some tremendous results with the pigmentation and the skin lightening. And I believe that the esthetician matters as well, because you could just do like the whole routine and just just leave it at that. But a very good esthetician will, after the whole thing, make sure, check everything, and if there's anything left, like to take their time and do it and make any additional extractions that are necessary. So there's no downtime, and you also have additional attachments to this for different purposes. So this is good for cleaning, especially good for cleaning. It could be used for peeling, lightening pigmentations, and for rejuvenation. Although we also have something else for rejuvenation. So if you look up through our video library for energy light rejuvenation, we have that available as well. We can also do a little bit of skin tightening with the radio frequency. And then we have our scrubbers, which it'll like clean up if you need like a large surface. Just just clean with the vibration. It'll really help, kick things up, etc. so everything kind of complements each other. And so we have that, and let's see if there's anything else. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about what we do, anything about hydrofacials, it has like many different names, hydrobrasions. You could leave a comment below. And if you don't want to miss out on the good stuff, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you don't miss out. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.